Good day again, another lessons for today video tutorial, which is arithmetic mean, following the topic of the arithmetic sequence. Ito yung continuation niya. So after natin malaman yung sequence or the arithmetic sequence, the process on how to solve that, now we will use also the same formula to apply the arithmetic means. But before that, let me know, or let us define first what is the arithmetic means. So arithmetic means is the numbers in between the two numbers. For example, we have to insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 25. So we have two numbers and we need to insert 4 arithmetic terms. So meron tayong i-insert na 4 numbers. So for example, starting with 5. So starting with 5, let me write this one. Starting with 5, and we need to insert 4 arithmetic means, 1, 2, 3, and 4, followed by 25. So as you can see, the arithmetic means is the numbers in between the two numbers, which is 5 and 25, or more than that number. Okay, so paano nga ba natin ito isa-solve? Using the same equation or formula rather sa ginamit natin sa arithmetic sequence, wherein we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so applying the last term as our part of the equation, so kukunin natin to si 25 kasi si a sub 1 is a part of the equation. Okay, so kukunin natin si a sub 5 as our part of our equation. So let me write first the terms kung pang ilan si a sub 25. So si a sub 1 is si 5, a sub 2 are missing, 3, 4, a sub 5, and our last term is our a sub 6. So si a sub 6 is 25. Okay, therefore let a sub n is equal to a sub 6, our last term, and our a sub 6 is equal to 25. Okay, and then our n is equal to 6. Let n our 6, okay, as our last term, and following by the common difference. Okay, so missing si common difference because we're going to find the common difference to get the next term. Okay, we also have a sub 1 as our part of the equation. A sub 1 is equal to 5. So ang missing term dito is si common difference para makuha natin yung mga terms na nawawala. So let us try to apply the following terms. So a sub n is equal to a sub 6 is equal to a sub 1. Our a sub 1 is equal to 5 plus our n is equal to 6. Okay, the last term, and 1 minus 1 times the common difference. Wala siya. Therefore, we will substitute the value of a sub 6, that is 25, is equal to 5 plus 6 minus 1, that is 5, times d, or simply as 5d. Okay, pwede natin gawin yon. Okay, so simplify natin siya, 25, or we can proceed now to transpose na natin tong value ng 5 sa kabila. Okay, kasi yung 5 hindi natin siya may add sa 5 times d. Okay, so transpose natin from 5. Okay, pag nilipat natin siya sa kabila, that will become negative 5. Okay, so from positive 5 to negative 5, but this is only a shortcut transposing. The proper method is addition property of equality. Mag-add ka both side na negative to less the positive 5 sa kabila. Okay, then followed by 5 times d, or simply as 5d. Okay, and then next, that is 25 minus 5 is equal to 20, is equal to, angat natin konti. Okay, wait lang, angat lang natin. Kailan nawawala ang aking mouse. Ay, sorry. Wala na ata itong iaangat Wala na. Okay, so by the way, let's proceed. Maybe pagkasyahin natin siya dito. Okay, ayan. So that's 20 is equal to 5D. So to eliminate the value of 5, we will divide both sides sa number na katabi ng variable. So kailangan lang natin si common difference. Therefore, we will divide both sides by 5 to less the value na katabi ni 5. So that is cancel. 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 1. Then 20 divided by 5, that is equal to 4. Okay, so 4 is equal to D. Okay, so meron na tayong common difference of 4. Okay, so next, okay, dito na lang natin siguro i-solve sa susunod. To get the missing term, okay, simply as add 4, the value of 4 to the following term. Okay, kung a sub 1 ng first term natin, mag-add lang tayo ng 4 to the following term. So, pwede tayong mag-add direct to the missing term. So, 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9. Okay, 9 plus 4, that is 13. And 9 plus 4, that is 17. Then plus 4, 21. And then plus 4, 25. Okay, so makukuha natin yung mga missing terms using the common difference. Okay, ganun po gumamit ng arithmetic means. Okay, and then if you want to use the solution, ganun din. So using the a sub 2, kailangan mo si a sub 1 plus the common difference, which is equal to, our first term is equal to 5 plus D. What is your D? The common difference is 4. So to get a sub 2, 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9. So your a sub 2 is equal to 9. Okay? So ganun po siya hanapin. Okay? So let me take another example if para mas makuha pa natin. So that is the first example. Let me remove this first. Ay, sorry. Okay, tuloy-tuloy ang record natin para wala na tayong edit, no? Okay. So for another example, remove natin tong mag-insert tayo ng numbers. Okay. So insert. Let us try to answer this. Insert the following terms. So for example, insert 2 arithmetic means between 1 and 10. Okay, so 1 and 10, insert 2 arithmetic. So starting with 1, and then insert 2 arithmetic mean 1, 2, and then followed by 10. So you have your a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. Okay, so for our solution, change tayo ng color. Solution. So using the formula of a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay? So ang last term natin is a sub 4. Our a sub 1 is 1. Ito po yun yung first term. Plus n. Your n here is 4. Therefore, you will write that 1 is 4. 4 minus 1. Then the common difference is missing. Then, followed by the value of your a sub 4. Ano yung a sub 4 mo? That is 10. Okay, 10. And then followed by 1 plus 4 minus 1. That is 3 times d, or simply as 3d. Okay, so gamitin natin yung addition property of equality. Okay, so may plus 1 tayo dito to eliminate that positive 1. Okay, so that is 10. 1 minus 1, nag-insert tayo ng minus 1 plus 3D. If you add negative 1, you will also add here negative 1. Okay? Then, followed by, simplify natin. So, 1 minus 1, that's 0. And matitira na lang dyan is 3D. Okay? And then, 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. Then, to eliminate the value of 3, divide both sides by positive 3 also. Then, 3 divided by 3, cancel. That's 1. Therefore, your D is equal to 9 divided by 3. That is 3. Okay, so your common difference is 3. Therefore, to get a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus the common difference, wherein your common difference is equal to 3. Your a sub 1 is 1 plus the common difference of 3. So, your a sub 2 is equal to 4. Okay? Then, your a sub 2 is 4. Then, you can also add on the same data. So, 4 plus 3, the common difference is 7. Then, plus 3 is equal to 10. So, that's how to use the arithmetic mean. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong to. Thank you.